Hello! My name is Dandy. What's your name? Dandy. How original. Oh, it's nice to finally meet you. Take it back! What's that? Name's Arthur, right? Yeah, that's me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, dude. Hello! You wanna hear some facts about dinosaurs? What dinosaur? Huh? So you don't know what dinosaurs are? Yeah. Well, what this thing then? Never heard of it. I'm more into computers. And PC costs about one. What happened to you? I grew old. I'm rusty, faulty, forgotten. I'm on the last of the show I once had. The look of the children gave me every time they saw me for pro. Oh, I miss those days. But they will never ever become reality again. They are now a figment for my own former self. But you get used to it. I'm D, by the way. What? Huh?